You may find that one of your clients made an online payment that wasn't automatically assigned to an outstanding invoice. Or you manually recorded a payment and forgot to record it directly for the invoice. This video will show you how to apply unassigned payments to an outstanding amount. First, you'll need to find the unassigned payment from the client. Unassigned payments will appear under Payments Received in the Payments tab on the left side menu. Filter the payment on the right-hand side by checking the Unassigned Payments box. In this example, the client John Smith made a payment for $20 in the account. John Smith also has an outstanding balance for $20 on an invoice. To apply this payment to the invoice, click on the Unassigned Payment. Then click the Assign Payment button. The system will ask you to assign the payment to any of the open invoices associated with the client, and, in John Smith's case, one outstanding payment for $20 on invoice number 16. Once the correct item is selected, click Assign. Then confirm you'd like to assign the payment. Keep in mind, this action can't be undone once you confirm. While this example focuses on applying payments to invoices, you can also apply payments to outstanding amounts for previously scheduled appointments.